INCRA bend rules are fantastic. We're trying to work on 2 faces for transferring measurements. Available in either 300 or 150 millimeter size. If we hold the rule on, we can either put our pencil up in the slot at the top, slot at the bottom, or transferring physically around that corner. Everything is set up in 1 millimeter measurements, so we can get very, very accurate transfer across our timber. Also, it's great sitting on the angle that you can transfer measurements across, no parallax as you may get with just a flat rule. What we can also do is use the marks in here, 1 millimeters from the internal corner, if we're looking to do some parallel lines. To buy our INCRA bend rule, either 150mm or 300mm, or our precision or T-rules, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. For more detailed information how to use these, check us out on our YouTube channel, or also follow us on our social media.